Forces out. We have a wins connection. Pass to begin. Chabacana moving up on the outside. Tiger Epic. Next on line comes King's Dominion. Moving up by the rail. Rock Hard. Next on line comes Green Gold. Sunday Street. And trailing the group is Amazing Act. As they leave the straight, we have Rock Hard. Moving up in the middle. Wins connection. About 3 wide. Tiger Epic. Chabacana is down in 4th, and in 5th, King's Dominion. Bullseye comes next, Sunday Street, Green Gold, and Amazing Act. As they swing down the back, Tiger Epic moves up by or ahead. Wins Connection is running by the rail, and in 3rd, Chabacana, King's Dominion in 4th, Rock Hard, Bullseye. Wins Connection this time by about half length. Tiger Epic, sorry, outside. King's Dominion in 3rd, Chabacana in 4th. We've got Tiger Epic and Wins Connection. Keep on fighting it out for the lead. King's Dominion now moving up by the rail. Chabacana now coming closer on the outside 3rd. As they come down at the last 200. Tiger Epic, King's Dominion moving up on the outside is Chabacana, Wins Connection. Tiger Epic, Chabacana, King's Dominion is by the rail. Tiger Epic, Chabacana is on the outside. But still Tiger Epic, Chabacana. And finally close finish. Tiger Epic, Chabacana.
At meron nga tayong photo for first between 5 and 8. Kaya just hold on to your tickets. Antayin po natin maging official itong ating race number 7. Meanwhile, ang ating quarters is 13.5, 25, 24.5, finishing at 28, 1 minute, 31 seconds flat ang preba ng ating ikapitong karera. ISOCAM shot muna ang ating tukan. At this point of the race, nagpapanabayan, Tiger Epic and King's Dominion sa Tabimbalya, na ito namang si Chabacana ay nagsisimula na rin magparemate, kung saan dito, still, yung dalawang entries natin, 6 and 8, ang nagpapanabayan. Pero ito na yung number 8, number 5. Ointment and medicated soap para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis. Ito yung ating slow-mo replay ng ating photo for first. Atid sa inyo ng Katialis. Yung ating datingan. Kagaya nga ng nabanggit natin, si Tiger Epic madalas nai-involve sa photo finish dito sa San Lazaro, no, ha? Pumanlima, Yamado, Rock Hard. Dehado, Rock Hard para sa inyong pentapekta. Yan na lang po ang matitira sa inyong picks.